Yeah.
No.
What are we doing, George?
See it.
We're doing something crazy. Sean, are you ready for this, bro?
I'm ready.
This is Sean's car. You guys didn't know. What are we about to do?
I make too much power for the street, so I can't bring it.
Oh yeah, you do?
Seen it last night.
Look how clean this thing is. It's
It's
basically brand new. How many miles are on this kit?
Under 2,000.
Under 2,000? Dude, it looks brand new, bro. Got the black intercooler.
On this side and that side?
Look at the cold air intake. Looks like it's not even been used.
You know what would make this 10 times easier, Sean?
What? Take the hood off.
Where's the other one?
Alright, so we're gonna take the front bumper off first, and then we're gonna get right into it.
What's going on now?
Alright, so we're out here.
Actually, I gotta look around the other side.
Making good progress. We got the front bumper off, we got the cold air intake off. What's next, Sean? What are we doing now?
Running in the coolant.
What, Mr. Wesley?
Running in the coolant.
Talking about. Alright, so we got the blower on, we got the bracket on. We just mocked up the intake just to see if we need to cut this part right here. We have to relocate the coolant reservoir over there. The current one is sitting right here, so the other one is sitting right over there. And we're getting there shortly.
Sean, how do you feel about the build?
It's a pain in the ass.
Whoa!
Pain in the
Nah,
bleep.
the rest of the kit,
It's really not a pain in the ass.
intercooler, throw it on, and then the charge piping.
I think the hardest part is going to be making the blow-off valve fit.
I know the hardest part is going to be
I mean, look
the
how
belt. I feel.
The belt, I think the belt and the blow-off valve. Because the blow-off valve is massive.
Where does that go? Right by?
Right? The blow-off valve goes like right here.
And we got the blower on. We got it bolted on firmly. This thing ain't going nowhere. We got the belt in there, so we're gonna have to figure out how that goes in. And then I guess the last part is just putting all the charge pipes on, intercooler. For the most part, that should be it. We still have to do the coolant tank, and that should be pretty easy for the most part, hopefully. And then the booster pump, which is plug and play, injectors, and we're done. First start. We're gonna get all this done tonight. Where are we at, boys?
Not very far.
Throwing on the charge pipes on the side right there. We got the blow-off valve already installed. This was pretty difficult to get in, but we got it. We got the throttle body spacer there, and we are doing the injectors and hooking everything else up. As far as what we got left, we also threw the intercooler in. We got to do this side for the charge pipe, which is everything's over there.
Should be playing Madden right now.
And that's a negative. We also have to install the booster pump, but we are pretty much, I'd say, 3/4 done. Actually, probably more than that. Go up.
This is full in right.
You guys are doing a good job.
pushing it.
Hold on.
No, it's going in.
We're on, baby. Make that work, and we're on.
I didn't hear it. Beep, 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 beep.
Hello, so just explain what's going on tonight.
Me and you are the laziest people on this crew.
Little update. This is like 12 hours later, by the way.
Update, Sean. Oh, he's not happy. Jonathan.
12
update?
hours later, we got like a couple more things, and we are done.
So this is what we've got so far.
This needs to rotate.
Fucking hell.
Please tell me you got that.
I got the noise.
Come
but I
on.
The update is I'm tired. I'm tired. And I'm also tired.
Perfect.
I need you to push this.
So how are we feeling? How many hours in are we?
Almost 12.
12 hours in. We're tired.
No.
You're not tired, George?
Jeez, guys. John Harder's new carbon wicker bill.
Wow.
Now, how do you feel? Look at this. Look at this fresh carbon wicker bill. $6,000. Oh.
No, we're just not gonna
Is
go
that
that
a
far.
Oh. Yo, pause. Let's do like an MTV crib.
No, we're doing it. Let's go.
Alright, so
Hold on, let's restart.
car collection, house thing.
Here we go.
Alright, guys, welcome to MTV Cribs. My name is Scooter McLicken. Cut. Hi guys, welcome to NTV Cribs. This is Scooter McLicken. This is my personal Ford F-150 right here. Oh, look at my friend Sean. That's Scooter McLicken part 2.
Where are you going? You walking home? You've given up?
Got to leak.
Why don't you just go to the bathroom inside?
I'm an outside kind of guy.
So why are you not going to a tree somewhere? You know there's cameras on like every house, so whichever bush you pick, you're getting filmed.
Hey, can you bring my MTV Cribs channel back? Welcome to NTV Cribs. This is Scooter McLicken. This right here is my buddy Sean, Ford F-150. Piece of junk. Right here, cover out like this plate. Track, hop, tow hitch. Race car. Now this right here, let me tell you. Slowest car in Florida. Slowest. Let me take you through it. Look at this beautiful palm tree we got going here.
Wow.
This right here, this is the luxury. This.
Can you not interrupt when we're on set, please? Besides trying to delete footage.
Action. This right here is the Lexus RCF. Yeah, this thing's just straight luxury. This is the outside of the crib. Now this right here, what we got going on in here. This is
A hunk of junk.
Junkyard garage.
Jesus.
This is Junkyard garage, guys. Piece of junk. Taco Bell trash everywhere. See. And back here, let me show you. Take a walk.
Are we not gonna look at this car?
Oh, my bad. So if you guys,
Cut, play, resume.
so if you guys don't know, this is a Vortech Supercharger kit for the car that
Yeah, I don't think you want to touch that.
we're messing with right now, taking it apart. This right here is all the tools. I don't know what that is.
I think that's storage.
Right here, this is where the race boat. I don't know. The jet ski.
Come on, you're losing energy.
Scooter McLicken here.
You're here again. Quiet. It's 1:30 a.m.
We're going into the crib.
You gotta.
So guys, this is the famous. Hey,
We got a little right here.
cut.
This isn't going anywhere.
John, can you say hi to Scooter McLicken's MTV Cribs tour?
It's where the magic happens.
I don't know how he fits on this bed. You got control, bro?
You're in my way.
I don't know what's going on. Scooter McLicken is.
Hey, update. We're on a break right now. What are we doing?
Scooter McLicken's here, guys.
No, you're not Scooter McLicken. He's Scooter McLicken.
Tell me something stupid.
Scooter McLicken's best friend here. Progress on the car.
Progress report 1.0.
It's going to the junkyard. It's for sale if you want it. Call my phone, 407-FU-321.
Whoa, what? It's like 2 different area codes on that one, bud.
Or you can cut it down.
No cuts. Raw footage.
Alright, last thing to the puzzle, we were installing the Kenny Bell booster pump. I don't even think it's a Kenny Bell, but he got a booster pump ready. Actually, we also have to add coolant. We took off the charge pipe to get one of the lines in. Just got to put that on, but everything else is all wrapped up, capped off, and ready for some boost. We still have to upload the tune as well, but we're getting somewhere. Well, you guys just missed a total get him, Brandon. Nothing. Dang, George, you fast. Whoa, Brandon. So this is what we've been dealing with all day. Me and Sean, we've been cranking at this the entire time while them two are just playing around, goofing off. Alright, we're loading the tune as we speak. How we looking? Good?
Yep.
Alrighty. What were you gonna say?
How's it looking up there?
Good, good, good. We're draining the oil of the Vortech. I just unhooked it and it is draining as we speak. So we're going to put some fresh oil in here as well. And we're putting in coolant too. I think we're ready to rock. Let's get that first start.
Hey, what are we doing?
Is it rolling?
Yeah.
We're dropping the car. Holy shit.
That went quick.
He dropped that thing.
Give your final updates.
I hope to God this break.
Good.
Some screw. We're stuck on I-4 at 3 in the morning.
Hopefully it runs good, no leaks. That's what we're
We're going for a no leak type of beat.
putting the supercharger oil in now.
Alright. How's your final thoughts on looks?
How many final thoughts you got? This is about to be a loud cold start. Is it recording? Alright, good luck. Alright, it runs good, everything's good. No injectors leaking.
She's a little full.
Yeah, it's the overfill. Cool.
Alright, take it down the road.
Yep, test it out.
See ya. Battery got cold.
Nice, nice, nice. Looking good, looking good. No leaks. We are good to go. Did it just turn off?
Yeah. I think it turned on
I'm not.
Not switching air. We're gonna go for a ride and make sure everything is good. Got the computer and everything right there. Fingers crossed everything is good.
I'm gonna give this laptop to you.
Hey.
You start data-logging it?
Yeah. Other thing too is we got a tune on 93. We're on full E85 right now, so we are actually going to the gas station, fill up with 93, and then we should be good. It's alive. How we feeling? First thoughts?
Great.
So we checked everything for leaks. Everything's good. He's gonna order a turbo guard for the blower. That's it. That's a wrap. Still gotta put the front bumper on and do a bunch of cleaning, but hell yeah. Looks good. Sounds good. Give me like a 3.5K rev. Alright, now back it up.
Back it up?
Yeah, for photos. That's good. Nice. That's perfect. I think you're gonna like the lighting right here. This looks sick. right there.